Good day traders, how you doing all? So before please you go, if you are new to this channel, I want you to actually subscribe before you actually take a walk. So we'll start our analysis from the daily time frame downward on our WTI crude oil. We can see a fall. I'll take here also a retracement here. It hits our 10 period moving average. We add a fall again. It's what a pullback. We add a pullback here because this place is also a legitimate key level area. See it now, we can see our key level area where our prices actually was ranging within this area here. It was giving us as a resistance here, while down was actually a support. So this is another key level area here where our price hits and add a pullback. Now we add a fall, right? And we've actually added this pullback, by the way. So we are supposed to have this pullback here around this area here and continue forward. Let's say fortunately or unfortunately it pushes up a little bit. So we are now on a downward trend. Our price now start giving us that bullish move again. It has failed to break our previous lower lows. Our price has now come to push here. That is why I said there are two ways this our price will be moving tomorrow. We can either open bullish, and when we open bullish, then we actually come here to test this our liquidity area here. You can see this our liquidity area here giving us like a double top, right? You understand it's like a double. Let me remove this 10 period moving average. Control I, delete C. So we can actually see that for we are supposed to continue to go bearish, breaking our previous lower lows, but our price does not. It actually pushes up. That is why I said two places our price can actually be going. We can actually see that bullish move, continue bullish move. It's giving us like a double top, then a fall. Exactly what I my analysis is telling me personally I think would happen. Like, by the way, it might not happen that way, by the way, so don't get me wrong, but as I'm looking at this trade, that is exactly what I think would possibly be happening tomorrow. So we can open bullish again, hit this our top area here, giving us a double top. Then we would actually now see a fall on our WTI crude oil downward. So if we now see that bullish move, then I'll say take your sell position straight downward to this our previous lower lows here, where our price actually reversed from. So we will take our selling position straight downward. But if our price does not go that way, then there's every possibility by tomorrow we would be opening bearish, because our price has now come here to test this our key level area here that I've just talked about, right? This key level area that I've just talked about. Our price has now come here to touch it, so we can open bearish and continue to go downward. So that is exactly how our what possibly will be happening on our WTI crude oil. So that is the analysis. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you very much.